let me ask you something real quick. You're already selling print on demand, or you want to start, and you probably heard that TikTok Shop is where people are making serious money right now, but nobody is connecting the dots. Nobody's showing you how to go from zero products, zero inventory, or zero upfront costs to a live TikTok shop using print on demand until today. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire setup, start to finish. You are picking a niche, building a design with AI, creating a mock-up, setting up Gelato as your fulfillment partner, and publishing a real live product on TikTok Shop. One day, one video, let's get into it. First, let me tell you why this combo is so powerful right now. I don't want you to skip past this thinking it's just another platform. TikTok Shop crossed over 100 million US buyers. That's not a trend. That's a behavior shift. People are watching videos and buying without ever leaving the app. Most POD sellers are still sleeping on it. Now here's where Gelato comes in. Gelato is a global print-on-demand platform with production partners in over 30 countries. That means fast shipping, no inventory, and a direct integration with TikTok Shop. You design it, someone buys it, Gelato prints and ships it, and you never touch a single box. That's the business model. Crazy. All right, let's get into the actual build. Step one is always the niche. I've said this thousands of times. The niche is everything. A bad design in a great niche will outsell a great design in a bad niche every single time. For TikTok Shop, you want niches that have an emotional community around them. Think identity-based. Think passionate buyers. Think people that will stop their scroll because the product is speaking directly to them. I'm going to pull up Google Trends and show you what I'm looking at right now. Navigate to Google Trends, search your chosen niche, narrate what the trend line is telling you. Look at the trend line and see what it's telling you. Is it seasonal, consistent? Is it growing? Then I cross-reference the Amazon's bestseller list for novelty t-shirts. If a niche is popping there, it's already proven that people are spending money on it. TikTok Shop is just another distribution channel for the same demand. Then I come to TikTok Creative Center to validate. If the hashtag is trending, the views are stacking, that's 3 green lights. That's the niche you are going with. Okay, niche locked. Now let's build the design. I use Ideogram AI for this because it handles text in designs better than most any other AI tool out there. If you haven't used Ideogram yet, the link is going to be down below in the description for free to start. The output quality is genuinely insane for what we are doing here. And then I have some free prompt ideas you can download below too. So I'm over here. I have this prompt right here that it's going to be down below in the description for the free download for the prompt, so you can get an idea of how to create prompts, which is very powerful. If you don't know how to do that, you definitely should be learning how to do prompts. I'm inside of Ideogram AI. I'm going to come over here into the search bar and paste it into there. Okay, now with the text, this is, like I said, this is amazing when it comes to creating design with text, which is really cool. And you can also upscale it. You can remove the background. You can even add to the actual image now. They've been doing a lot back here on optimizing this actual tool. So it's generating down here. This is the prompt that I actually put in to generate this type of design. And you can edit the prompt however you like to. Just keep that in mind. So like simple text words, like if you say it says it's our anniversary, right? That's something right there. You can literally switch that out to something else. I'm here because it's our anniversary. I'm happy it's our anniversary. You can mix it. There's so many different ways you can mix this. Okay. So you can see the design. Pretty cool. Right. And then you can download here. So when you download, you can see you can 8K, 4K, 2K, HD, whatever you want to do right there. There's a lot that can be done. And then let's say if you just want like a transparent background. Background. This is a cool little trick here. Transparent background, put that on auto. You have to make sure they have that on auto and then hit send. And then what it's going to do is going to give us a transparent background, and then you can upscale it. And the design is ready to put like on a t-shirt, okay, or a product, which is really cool. And boom, boom. Okay, pretty solid. And then you just hit the, download whatever resolution you want. You can download 4K, then it'll go ahead and download for you. That's how simple it is to create a design. Amazing. The design is done. Now we need to make it look like a real product, because on TikTok Shop, presentation is everything. Your mockup is your storefront. I use Gelato's mockup, default mockup on the back end. It's clean, it's fast, and output looks professional without any design skills required. And we'll get into that step as we push the product over from Gelato to the TikTok Shop. All right, here's where it all comes together. We're jumping into Gelato to build the actual product. All right, so I'm right here in gelato.com. I'm gonna go ahead and hit login. It's going to take me over here to log in. And then I'm going to come over here to product catalog. I'm going to come over here to, let's click on bestsellers because it gives you some information. Gelato gives you a bit of information. Bestsellers, high profit. You can see, what they do there. And we're just going to use a t-shirt. That Gildan 5000 is a really nice one. The comfort colors, I need to definitely just test out this one right here. Should be worldwide. And I'm going to come over here to, let's do this Gildan 5000. All right. Now, this is a cool thing. So you can see all the different colors, different formats, stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and look at boom. You can say add to store, create order. Go ahead, just hit like a black color, right? Do the printing. You can choose your embroidery, direct to garment. I know that with the certain products that you pick, they have to meet like that TikTok requirement because there's a shipping deadline that you have to meet. So, and Gelato will let you know if something that it can do. So we're going to go ahead and hit black. Okay. You can do any of these. Okay. You can see all the different colors too. I'm going to go ahead and hit add to store. Now I already have my TikTok shop connected. So I'm going to hit this is my TikTok shop. And then since I have it connected, it's going to go ahead and bring me over here to this little section. Now I'm going to hit add design. So we downloaded the design already. I'm going to choose the file, go ahead and browse, download, upload the design that we did. Okay. And now this is a cool thing. You can see the DPI, the solid, you can see how solid it is as far as like how the design came out. Okay. Like the quality of it is pretty good. 300, you can see that too as well. So we're getting to that. You can see how quickly the design was made, like less than a minute, right? Come down over here. Everything looks good. And now I can even, so we have, there he is, product, come over here to product, left side. There's a few different colors. If you want to pick a few different colors, you can do that. I think we'll just, for this example, just choose these two and you can hit, different sizes up to 3X and then it will, some of the products are unavailable. So that's okay. We'll just navy. Okay. So sometimes you run out of the color options, but we'll go ahead and we'll select the colors that we want available there. And you can go up to 4X if you want to. Okay. And then we'll hit continue to mockup. Now that you can choose your different mockup here, whatever color mockup you want to do. Let's set this as the main image, the black one. Now they have it available for you can choose a different mockup. You have to have the Gelato Plus though. You can see that. But for this example, we can go with any of these. You can just set that one as the primary one. Then you can look at all the free ones and it'll populate, all the free ones for you. So you can look at, but we're doing on the front, just a front print only. And then we'll go ahead and everything looks good. Everything looks good. Continue to details, right? And then this is pretty cool because I do give a description that it's our anniversary t-shirt. Let me see. Let's put that, see what happens. Okay. There it goes. So it actually did like a really cool description for us. Anniversary vibes t-shirt. I would like to have that in there too. T-shirt. We can leave that in there if we want to too. You can see how it's optimizing it for us too, right? You can do that and just hit apply. And then boom, it will put it all in there for us. Okay, which is really cool. And if you don't want none of the little fancy stuff, you do not have to do that. Now we'll go ahead and save and then go ahead and continue the prices. Now, keep in mind, here's the part where most people get confused and rush and then regret pricing. You need to know your base costs, your shipping costs, and what the market will bear for this niche. Don't just guess. Do the math live. All right. So, for example, let's go ahead and pull up a calculator real fast so you can see. So, as far as shipping, so we got it at $9, the product, right? The base cost plus, let's say $4.99 for shipping, like it says. Okay, we're looking at $14.58 right there. So $14.58. Okay. That's all that's in the US. $14.58. So what does that mean? If we sell a t-shirt at $20, remember you're not holding no inventory, by the way. So $14.58 or $5.42 profit for a t-shirt. Now let's say you want it at 22. Okay. Minus $14.58. You can get away with the 22, 24. Well, obviously you have to do a little bit of research in your niche to understand this. Now you're making $7. Now let's say there's there's some fees. Let's say you're charged 22 and there's like a fee of, you're getting 20, you're not getting the full 22 back, right? 22 minus, let's just throw something out there. 15%, right? Do your math too, because things will change when I share this with you. Okay. Now we're minus 15 58, right? Now you're looking at $4. So always do the math when it comes to any of this stuff. But then when it starts to add up, when you start to sell, let's say you're selling 10 t-shirts, right? Now you're at 41. So understand that. You look at your information, look at your costs, and do the math on your end. Your title and description are crucial here. You're not writing for Google. You're writing for someone mid-scroll who needs to stop and feel something in 2 seconds. Lead with identity, lead with emotion. Now you can use ChatGPT or Claude AI to help you with these different titles, or use the AI in the back end of Gelato print on demand. Okay, real talk before I let you go. The hardest part of what we just did wasn't the tech. The tech is easy. The hardest part is picking the right niche. Because if you're in the wrong niche, none of this matters. I teach a lot of this on my YouTube channel on finding winning niche ideas, or just design inspiration. I want you to comment Gelato down below, and I'll send you a free research guide to help you understand how to find winning niches. And if you plan on using Gelato, use my affiliate link down below in the description and follow this whole process to open up your TikTok shop today. And if you want more videos, walkthroughs, no fluff, just actual strategy, hit that subscribe button. I drop new content every week and I don't waste your time. I'll see you in the next one, and watch this video right here next. Peace out.